Carrots 999. Playing Smart Chicken Gun. It's busy working. And you can see. Oh, by the way, this and this and all of this at the boxes I did before I did this. And I just finished this thing. And it gets snuggier for me now. So, I'm at max on how many things I can have spawned or in the map. So anyway, don't ever think I'll give up on you, old faithful. Ah! Oh. Yeah. Crap. Yeah. Okay. Excuse my manners. Yes, yes. Let me in. Let me in. Yeah, I made a video. Save game. Save. Continue. No, I'm gonna do this quick. You know what? There we go. There we go. Come on. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, I can hear it. I don't know. What the? What the hell? How's that gone? Okay, just a second, people. Holy crap. I don't know how that's gone. It literally disappeared. Figured out is wait, I'll show you this when I'm done putting this on stage. But just watch this. You may not find it interesting. Ready? So I'm gonna get this. So if I go into this. So look, you know how if I do this? Kills me when I do that. Oh, right, I forgot. I'm gonna go in my igloo, yeah. Okay. My igloo. So yeah, it's pretty dumb, but well, I don't know. Anyway. What would you say to adding another floor? Any suggestions? And maybe make some comments, stuff in the video whatever it is, if I should make another floor. Right now I am, for sure. That is what I am doing. So yeah. That's what I'm doing. Uh-huh. Oh crap. I just realized that. What the hell? Pray that it's actually shooting it, right? Come on. I'm not gonna let this again like that. Oh, wow. Okay. So, I made a screw up. Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm going to do instead this, because I think this will work better. Now you go up, you move out of the way. Okay, let me get my bearings here, what's happening. Okay. Yeah. Holy crap. The hell? Now kill myself. There we are. Okay, first, more of this gun. Restricted. Where the hell were we again? Oh yeah, right. My chaos world. It just looks like just a cluster, like, you know, and there are these like countries where they use like metal sheets for roofing and stuff to make these little kind of like tents. It's like that almost. It's mishmash. Go away now. Now. There we are. Peaceful. Okay. What the hell? There.
Well, thanks for coming. Thanks for being part of the birthday. We came to you.
You're welcome. Goodbye. Okay, back to what you're doing. The hell? Okay. Sorry guys, I just said goodnight to my auntie. Okay, that's fine. I'm really sorry. I'm getting sidetracked. Here we go. Yep. Okay. So what I want here, things to go easy. Yeah. And that. Whoa, that works surprisingly well. And that. One thing I want to do is see if actually the snow will fall through the roof. Like I know it is, like, look, I can tell it's just falling. But that would be cool if there were physics of it would actually show how much snow would fall and stuff. Anyway, sorry. Sidetracked again. Here we are. Grab that. Put that there. What the hell? Okay. Reload and get rid of this disgusting thing. Ugh. Only this is this household that's still being added on to, or is being added on to at this very moment, is high violence warning. Okay, that sounded good. Anyway, move that down. Jeez, I want a level 4. Yeah, wait, I just noticed that. First, yeah, we need to have a level thing, because I will lose it. We need to have it some level. Some good cameras here. Come on. I think I put that one last time, but down a little too low. Okay. Whoa. That'll be corner for the TV. Everywhere has to be accessible. Not be accepted. Naughty, naughty. Bye. The end of that. Okay. As I was doing. Yeah. Yep. No. Yep. I know I might have played this a lot, but it is kind of one of my only few games I have on this phone. All the other stuff is taking up my pictures. No, they're crap I possibly don't need. But some stuff, only a tiny bit of it, like maybe 3 screenshots or 3 pictures, is taken up by... No. Fine, I'll be the roof. Ugh. Ooh, I'm really liking this big spaciness. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is grab these guys. I know I've been doing that the entire time. Okay, back to business. No! Actually, you know what? We need to have some tunes. Okay, yeah. Dance. What the hell is this? Oh no. Nightmare. Hey, I'm not dancing anymore. Yeah, that's right. Let's get to work. Yeah. Oh. No. Keep going. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. The only problem here is that even the slightest movements easily still will misalignment. No. Okay, that looks sloppy. You know what? I don't care. Screw it. Hey, want to see something that I don't allow around here? Yeah, indeed I do. There. Problem solved. Disrespectful. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, this is actually looking quite beautiful as a layout. Okay. Just, no. There. Okay. You know that will look sloppy later on. I don't give a crap. Okay. And also, I always find it hard just believing or just saying this because I consider it as like a lot of YouTubers will kind of, it sounds after a while like begging, like it's to the point of desperate sounding, which I don't really like. And I don't really ask much, but just, for the fun of, hey, if you don't or are interested at all in this, not saying you have to be like completely your choice. For all I care, you could completely get out of this video, but anyway, is to just please support if you want to support me and like, you might just want to be nice help. Like, it's your choice. It's not saying that you're a non-helpful person if you don't do it. Saying your choice, but if you want it would be most gladly and appreciated because it gets me one tiny baby step closer, which still, it might not be much, it's just something at all, to making even just the slightest 4 cents off of YouTube, $1 or so. So then again, if you want, and yeah. Oh, okay. There's another thing that I would like to just say. I have this friend, or kind of, not really friend, but he's good, he's great, he's really nice. His mom works at the firehouse, which is amazing. His name is Hunter. He has a channel called Serious Hunter. If you might know about it, you might not. Well, that is a recommended one to go try out, because he's definitely ahead of me. Because right now, the most viewed video of mine is only 428, last time I checked views. And it's probably going to go up, because it's been going up non-stop ever since I put it up. And his most views is like 8.6 thousand. Most views I've ever had on any short is 6.5 thousand, so I'm behind. Oh, another one is creative, and then like an underscore. Like, I mixed this up for a while. Like, I didn't know. I couldn't find her channel, Phoenix. She has a channel called Creative, and then literally the underscore sign. I thought she meant like creative in the word underscore life, but it was actually creative, then the underscore symbol life. So that's the one to recommend you check out. I haven't watched any of this stuff. Haven't had time to search up and subscribe. And also, Serious Hunter, I recommend you subscribe to him because he's just good. He's great. He's a lot more editing software and everything than I do. I've like none. Otherwise, I'd be zooming in and out, making funny jokes and comments. I can't. Anyway. So the thing with that is, another one that I recommend is Josh. Let's Game It On. Oh my god, he was funny. Holy crap. Man, so stupid funny. Like, he has the dry sense of humor, so for any of you out there who are like dry humor land dwellers, then I recommend that you check out his channel. love that. Wait, okay. So another thing. No cracks allowed. Okay, anything. Anyway, I meant to say sorry. One thing I like about Josh Let's Game Notes channel is he's just fluent, he's funny, and he doesn't sound like he's really, really trying. He's just doing it. Anyway, I love him. My dad and I watch this and we laugh. Like, some of his other stuff with Anthony, they swear so much, it really kind of takes the fun out of it. Otherwise, I would like that stuff more. Like, that's my dad's opinion. I just ignore it. But, yeah. So, that's good. Great. So anyway,
pull that over the wall.
that's good. It's okay, it's just my Nana talking in the background. I'm at my Nana's house right now. It's where I've made probably most of my YouTube videos. I think, pretty sure. Anyway, so, one I also recommend is Blue Gearbox, which is a person in my class, Hayden. Yeah, he has a channel, and another person in my class. I recommend both of these, by the way. Is Tornado Monk. I love that. Little floating dirt. So anyway, back to dancing. One thing that I think one thing is Tornado Monk. That's one of them. Nathan in my class, he's also in my karate. If you didn't know I was in karate, well, I'm in karate. And no, stop.
She said just YouTube.
I'm filming a YouTube video, so stop. Anyway, so
Okay, I'll tell her tomorrow.
Okay. There we are. It's like, no one gets past this point. Make sure you're not floating. Oh, yeah. I love how nice and not choppy this is. Like, that's incredible. First off, let's get rid of this. So, or, you know what? Put it there. That's what I want. Not even touching the table. Perfect. And you. When I mean business, I mean business. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's one of those furnace things too in this game. Come on. Come here. Yeah. I hope you like my garden and my random crate thing. Yee! No. Come back. Come back. Don't tell Mom because she makes a big deal out of it. It's not.
I'm gonna talk to Dad.
It's fine.
Dad says it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll talk to Dad tomorrow.
Okay, so bam. Whoa, that slid. Okay, so what's in here? You guessed. No, you didn't. Probably it's money. Yeah. I made this in my video that didn't make it to YouTube. I'm so upset when it didn't make it to YouTube. Whoa. Oh, crap. Okay, come here. me drive. Ugh. No. Okay. Ugh. Oh crap. Another helicopter, please. Where the hell did it go? What the freaking hell? Oh, I think I know. It probably went zoomy zoomy. Oh, poop. Where is it? Well, there's my carpet that... One thing I wanted to do is we need to have a helipad. No. Fine, I'll have to do this helipad myself, I guess. Said myself, by the way. Does the clock actually work? No, it doesn't. You're useless. I thought I loved you. Well, goodbye. You're not really loved anymore. That's for sure. Okay. Enough goofing around from me. So many items. Huh. You let me spawn this thing. How odd. But how nice of you. Excuse me. Move out of the way. Life is... Oh. Oops. Take a ride in my Rolls Royce. Screw it. Okay. I haven't through the sky yet. Wait, wouldn't that be odd if you just saw this?
Here's your bed, Marlo. I gotta get you guys to get your pillows now. Put this up here, Marlo, so you don't bang your head on it.
I love that. Look at that. It's like, ooh, magic and mystical ever so. Yeah. Oh, look. Finally, for once I don't pop through the floor every time I get off. Okay. Now. Got everything here. Mirror. Okay, fine. You can stay. Whoa, I love this. Better. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna put a normal bed down. I was gonna say, we could put this all fancy thingy. Okay. Yeah. Not this again. Ooh. Okay, quick. I need to find the helipad or something. Remember, if you have chicken gun, you can do the exact same thing. Maybe different, though. Maybe different even, actually. Yeah, that's a good thing, right? Okay, oh my god. Okay, here we are. Phew. That we were lost causes. No. Show. Okay. Yay. Put the thing on the thing. Yeah. I love that. Look, if you look really close, you can see just reverse snow coming. Go, run. No. Dummy. Go there. There. Let's do a tour really quick, because I'm running out of storage space. Yeah, just boom me in. Boom me in, boys. So you have that, yeah. You have a place that you can't go in. We have, oh yeah, right. Our floor, yeah. But even better,